things to do with making different kind of accessories in terms of bags, wallets, necklaces, different kind of things, using also different materials like beads, African fabrics that we call kitenge or igitenge in Kinyarwanda, and also we use tree bark as well. These are kind of
no kwihera abartiste bakora ibintu by'ibihangano byiza cyane. Harimo umwe turi kumwe, reka twibwire witwa nde?
Amazina yanjye nitwa Mabuka Denis, nkora mu Inema Art Center. Mukuru wanjye niwe wayitangiye, noneho natwe tuboneramo opportunity yo kuza gukorana nawe. Nahereye mu 2012 na gatatu kugeza n'ubu ngubu ndacyakorera.
Watangiranye nayo?
Yeah.
Okay. Imaze igihe kingana gute?
Guhera mu 2012 ngira ngo nibwo nimba nibuka neza nibwo yatangiye kugeza na n'ubu ngubu.
None se ibintu byo kuby'ubugeni bikaba bitangiye gute? Wumva ubikunze kuva ryari?
Nabitangiye nyiri umwana, nabikunze guhera kera, ariko ntabwo nari narakabonye ubushobozi bwo kubikora. Noneho uyu nguyu mukuru wanjye agize ikigo nk'iki ngiki, nibwo twabonye opportunity nyine yo kuza kubikora kuko ndabikunda.
Nabonye ufite style, uhitamo gute icyo style?
Style ngira ngo igenda ikura, tangira ushushanya nyine ibintu ukunda, abantu ukunda, noneho ukomeza ukora bikagenda bitera imbere, ugashaka kuba ukwawe nyine. Niho nakuye iyo style urebye.
Mbese ari wowe isa nawe, ari ikurepresent. Yes. Okay. Hanyuma ndoka abantu bakoreramo hano abenshi ni abantu ki bamenya gute hano?
Abenshi baratureba kuri Google, baradushakisha bakatumenya. Abartiste batandukanye bataba mu Rwanda niho batumenyera. Noneho na leta RDB twohereza abakiriya, n'abandi bantu ko bagenda baza, abantu bafata ama video hano kuri YouTube na tuma hose tugenda tumenyekana.
Yes. None hari ibindi bintu bihakorerwa uretse ibintu bya art?
Twigisha bariya badamu gukora amabaga, wallets, necklaces. Hari abana twigisha kugira kubyina, so dufite abana babyina umuco nyarwanda ya dance. Hari twishyurira abana school fees batishoboye, ni ibintu byinshi cyane.
Antuka murakoze cyane kuduha akanya gatoya, antuka turanezerewe kubamenya, kandi rero namwe mwese mubamenye kuko ni ahantu heza ho gusura, ho kumenyekanisha ibintu byinshi bikorwa mu bugeni, mu matalent muba mufite wenda mutahazi.
My name is Silas Nditi from Inema Art Center. So myself, basically, we work together, several artists here, and myself, I help with different kind of projects here. We have women project, basically, and they do some different kind of artisans, things to do with making different kind of accessories in terms of bags, wallets, necklaces, different kind of things, using also different materials like beads, African fabrics that we call kitenge or igitenge in Kinyarwanda, and also we use tree bark as well. These are kind of a person who pioneered to use tree bark is a founder artist of Inema Art Center called Innocent Murunziza. And so we do all this collectively together to give some skills and ideas to our women so that they may be in a position to also make a living from it. So it is something that has been very sustainable for them. And bearing in mind they come from our neighborhood, and we feel like in Inema that is how we give back to the community. Yeah, so basically that's on my section, and also helping with the administrative work at Inema Art Center. In between, that has been locked together, so it has been twisted to bring this kind of work, and our movement does that as well, taking them through the different skills that we offer them. And we also do different kind of things as well. This is like a bracelet. I made it out of African fabric. There are some things we have put inside fabrics as well. You can also use sponge and some beads as well to make these ones. We have done also earrings, like these ones you see here. These are earrings formerly made from African fabrics as well, and beads, and some hook. Of course, you can understand what that means. We have different bags, like these are clutch bags that ladies put maybe money, they put their ATM cards, they can use their ID to be put also inside, and there's a way you lock it this way. So we make some of them that also has something to lock it, like when they close it, they lock it like this. So there are people who love it like this, open, and there are those ones who love it when we have something to lock it with like this. So that is the clutch bag that we do here. So we also have different kind of necklaces made from Inema, like this one. It is made out of rubber and plus clay, whereby you see this is the outlook it brings in the end, and also there are some beads in between. And also we have thread. Yes, so, and we have different colors. As you can see, there are different colors that you can see along. We also have long necklaces that we do, like these are a bit long. So for you to put it on, it has to be, you have to roll it several times, or you can let it flow the way you want. Different kind of bow ties, as you can see. Different kind of bow ties. We also have the long ties. Yes, we have, yeah, and also for ladies, nowadays the world has changed, so ladies can also put the long ties sometimes when they, depending on their outlook, and also men can also put these other types. So basically, we have so much in store, as you can tell. There are so many that we have. We make also laptop bags. Yes, the ones where I'm pointing at. There are some laptop bags, the different sizes of the smaller type of laptops, the medium sizes, and also the bigger types. And we have also different bags for ladies. We have other bags that we call them round bags. Others we call them rectangular bags. Others we call them like sakame, like we use just a traditional name of that we get. So basically we have different kind of things. And as you can tell, we have also ijikapu. Different type of them, like these are baskets made from sisal, from scratch, and they are made differently, being twisted, as you can tell, and it's something that you don't find everywhere, but at least we are happy to have them here, so that it may be easy for our visitors whenever they come around. So we have so much in store. I know I can't say so much. Let me tell you also one more thing, like that is a wine bag. Maybe if you can bring it to me, I show you something. You can just remove it, then I show it to you. That one is a wine bag, so you can maybe buy a wine and put it inside when you're taking somebody for a gift, and then they can be very happy that you've taken it in something like looks very presentable. So thank you so much. I think there are so many that we do, but I can't really finish all of them. But basically the ones you've shown you are some of the things that we do at Inema Art Center. Yes, thank you so much.
turangirije gusura Inema Art Gallery twari twaje kubareba twari twaje gusobanukirwa uburyo bakora akaba ari abantu bakora ibintu bya art bibiga gufungura mu mutwe n'akagift rero wabibonye ndibuze ko reka nse ndagafungura mu kanya nuzaze kwasura n'ahantu heza habafungura ubwenge habafungura mu mutwe